Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to embed Google Sheets into your WordPress website. Let's begin. First, access the home page for WordPress, click on Login, and sign in with your Google account. Once inside the dashboard, I want you to click on the Edit side over here so you can gain access on the page editor. Once inside, click on the specific text you would like to integrate to your Google Sheets. So I'm going to select this particular text, and in the toolbar, click on the link option, and you can now easily paste your Google Sheet link over here, right? Once done, make sure to hit enter, then press save over here. So we can make sure that everything we've done so far will be applied and live in your published website. And that's it. We have now successfully embedded your Google Sheets into your WordPress website. I hope you found this video very helpful.